Hello. This is my first rant, so sorry if anything seems off. Starting off strong, but these two boys, rather a group, but we're focusing on these two. They'll call them A and K. They were goofing off. When school was letting out, I was getting stuff from my locker and they were nearby since one of them has a locker next to mine. And one of them fell onto me. They didn't say sorry, just pushed off of me and chased after their friend. No, sorry, or anything. My arm was red after that. Anyways, be aware of your surroundings and say sorry when it's needed. Jay's out.